What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 6 best inflatable kayaks 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance, Number 6. Advanced Elements Straight Edge Angler Pro Inflatable Kayak. Drop stitch floor. 2 accessory frames. Airframe Pro seat. Duffel bag with shoulder straps. Repair kit included. The Straight Edge Angler Pro takes fishing from an inflatable kayak to the next level. With a wide beam and drop stitch floor technology, you can feel confident standing up or bringing in big catches. Multi-layer material and multiple air chambers provide maximum durability for aggressive conditions. Its revolutionary accessory frame system offers a variety of easy access options. By adding aftermarket one-rail mounts, you can Number 5. Airhead Montana Kayak 2-person inflatable kayak. Airhead Montana travel kayaks are inflatable kayaks that are perfect for camping, vacationing, exploring remote areas, and cruising yachts. Designed for lakes and moderate whitewater, this 2-person inflatable kayak is lightweight, compact, and portable. All 3 air chambers are completely enclosed by rugged 840 denier nylon with UV and water-resistant coatings. Made with neoprene elbow guards for comfort when paddling and a stretch net in the bow and 6 D-rings at bow and stern for securing gear. Bright orange inflatable kayak for safety. Number 4. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak, Professional Series Inflatable Fishing Kayak. Super tough laminate PVC with polyester core. Lightweight and highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact and sunlight. High-pressure inflation provides extra rigidity and stability, with high-pressure spring-loaded valves for easy inflation and fast deflation. Includes 2 removable skews for deep and shallow water, 2 floor-mounted footrests, 2 integrated recessed fishing rod holders, 2 adjustable bucket seats. Removable and adjustable mount. Number 3. Elton Outdoors Steelhead Fishing Kayak, Inflatable Touring, Angler, includes paddle, hard mounting points, bungee storage. Stand-up casting solid drop stitch floor allows you to stand to cast. Self-bailing drains in the floor can be opened for draining water. For use in rough water. If the kayak takes on water while these are open, it will drain out through these ports. Built for fishing, attachments and storage, has multiple Scotty-style mount attachment points. Front bungee storage. Paddle parts. Construction. Long waterline and 2 skegs for long. Number 2. Intex Challenger Kayak Series. The Intex Challenger K2 kayak is sporty and fun with a streamlined design for easy paddling. The bright green color and sporty graphics make the kayak highly visible in the water. 2 86-inch aluminum paddles and an Intex high-output pump for easy inflation and deflation. Made of company's rugged, super tough vinyl that's puncture and UV damage resistant for long-term durability. Measures 30 by 15 by 138 inches, WXHXD, inflated, with 400-pound maximum weight limit, includes 2 86-inch aluminum oars, high capacity. Number 1. Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Expedition Elite Kayak. Drop stitch floor. High back lumbar seat. Repair kit included. Duffel bag with removable shoulder straps. Rudder mount. Pump not included. The Advanced Frame Expedition Elite is the natural evolution of inflatable kayaks. A hybrid of a folding frame kayak and an inflatable kayak, the Expedition incorporates our proven aluminum rib frame technology in the bow and stern and drop stitch technology in the floor to provide hard shell-like paddling performance. Working together to deliver optimal paddling performance.